We're following the road ahead at the roundabout, taking the second exit at the roundabout, crossing the roundabout, taking the second exit. Go ahead at the roundabout. It means all the same. Slowing down, I'm already looking and scanning the roundabout to see when I could get the opportunity to go. I'm already looking for blockers. I'm planning ahead. Yeah, I can go after this car. I'm checking my mirrors, moving out to the right because there's cars parked up on my left on the yellow lines, the grey car there. And then after this white car, I want to move back into my left lane. I'm checking my mirrors and moving in immediately when it's safe for me to move in. Don't delay moving into the left.